Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Windows couldn't connect to the printer and the operation failed with error 0x00011b. Let's go start. Now go to the host computer, where the printer is installed. Press the Windows key and type in the Registry Editor, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. And click Run as Administrator. Click on hkey Local Machine. Then click System. Then click on currentcontrolset. Then click on Control. Scroll down. Then click on Print. Search the RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. If you do not find, then right-click on the blank. Click New and select DWORD, 32-bit, value from menu. Type here RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. Double-click on it, and modify value equals 0. Go to this PC. Right-click on it. Then click Manage from menu options. Then click Services and Applications. Then click Services. We are choose the standard. Locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. Wait for the printer spooler service to restart. Close Windows. Now restart your PC. Back to Client PC and press Win+R, type host PC IP address and press Enter. And type to connect. Not OK, and again try do the host PC name ways. Press Win+R, type / host PC name, and press Enter. Try connect. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Now click Devices and Printers. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.